Hey guys, the sun is just saying that would be perfect timing. Move your tail. Sorry, I'm talking to my cat, and the sun's going down, so that's perfect. So something in my house right there. So guys, ready? Ready? Oh my God, bird! I got flipping, flip bed. I'm going to go to bed. Go to bed. Yeah, I gotta go to bed. Yes. I'm flipping so happy that I can go to bed now and don't have to worry about people blowing me up. Oh gosh, but see where that tower is? I found sheep that were at the wall. I did some mining off camera. I hit bedrock. But yeah, picture me. Ow, crap. I'm gonna do more mining in the video. But the 16th level, I'm probably just hit it, is where I can find diamonds. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is the most pop, whatever that word is, I can't. This is where I'm gonna be mining for diamonds. But this happened in the beginning. So, I'll be mining both sides for diamonds. So, I'd be happy. If I find diamonds in this video, I'd be happy. But it's sale and a church sale. Diamonds are popular at that level. So, look at me mining. And when I say, oh crap, that's not what I wanted. I hit bedrock, as you guys can tell. I'm mining for diamonds. Next bedrock be okay. This is going to be my mining stream. So I'm gonna put like the title of this video is gonna be like mining. But is that far enough? Probably like a couple more. Yeah, that far. Yeah. Cause I have no pickaxe. So I have no pickaxe man, so if this breaks. Hold up. This is still something down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. That's where it started. Let's not this way. So, okay, bye on my time. I can only cut up to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So, yeah. Hey! There we go. Besides flipping the pickaxe. Oh, cool. This might be my layer. That might look cool later. I have plenty. I'm running out of touches. So, yeah. So, yeah. I just have to keep an eye on my time. Redstone! That's mine. I'll find out later. That's all. Oh my goodness, I think we hit the level for redstone. This. Okay, so we found lapis right here. We found coal, we found iron, and we found redstone. All we need to find is... I'm gonna my gun again. It looks cool. All I have to find is diamonds and emeralds. If you get emeralds, oh crap. I can't mind that. Oh crap. Okay, back up. So, yeah. Hey, number 16. Let's do these. So, yeah. I'm jumping backwards. There we go. Ooh, eggs. Thank you. Yes, have wheat. Chicken, I swear, if you try to escape, I will flippin' kill you. Okay, let's get... We can get iron, don't we? Crap. Okay. Well, let's go grab the wheat. Let's go breed guns. Those two. And they... I put the guns. And let's go get some cows. Any cows wanna come with me? Hey cow. Yeah, wanna come with me? Want this free? Come on. Come on, I need you. I want my cake. Yes. I want my cake. I need to find sugar cane. Come on in here. Yeah, that's a good boy. No. Let me find your little friend. I know I saw more, y'all. I know. Just when I was off camera. That's not a bad place. Hey cow. You wanna come with me? Yeah. So now yeah. So just for yes. Come on cow. Yeah. So after I get this cow in, I'm going to be ending this video right here. So hey, at least we got 2 animals. Tuna and baby chicken. Yeah. Are you guys hungry? Let me feed you. Yeah. Yeah. I have a new baby calf. Give me that. Give me that piece. So I'm gonna be ending the video right here. 5 for 5. So, yeah. Wait, can I? Ooh, yeah. So, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We found redstone, mathers, iron, and coal. So guys, that's all for the spider. Um, um, yeah. So, if you like to, please smash that like button. Why am I crouched? Yeah. So I'm gonna be creeping for the end of the video and the sunshine. Perfect timing! So, if you like to, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye.